Dialogue 1. Explaining a report.
Hi, John. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I don't understand this report.
Which report are you talking about?
The one about financial statement.
Oh, that one. What's unclear?
The numbers and explanations confuse me.
They are in the report, though.
I know, but they are vague.
Okay, let me explain them better.
Thank you. What does this mean?
It means the average score.
For what? The whole country?
No, for each region.
How do they measure that?
They use a standardized test.
I see. And what about this?
It means the confidence interval.
Dialogue 2. Asking for clarification.
Did you hear the boss's announcement?
Yes, I did. It's outrageous.
No raise for us this year.
Even though we worked so hard.
And the company made a profit.
But the managers get their bonuses.
How is that fair or right?
It's not. It's exploitation and greed.
We deserve better than this treatment.
I agree. But what can we do?
I want to talk to the boss.
That's risky. He might fire you.
I don't care. I need answers.
He won't give you any. Trust me.
He can't get away with this.
He can. And he will. Sadly.
Dialogue 3. Not feeling well.
Hi, Jane. How are you today?
Not good, Nancy. I feel sick.
Oh no, what's wrong with you?
I have a fever and headache.
That sounds terrible. You need rest.
Yes, I think so too. Thanks.
Don't worry, Jane. I'll cover you.
Really? You're so kind, Nancy.
It's no problem. We're a team.
I appreciate it. You're the best.
Do you need anything from me?
Just let the boss know, please.
Of course. I'll do that now.
Thank you, Nancy. You're a lifesaver.
You're welcome, Jane. Get well soon.
Thanks again, Nancy. Bye for now. Dialogue 4. Calling in sick.
Hi, Helen. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, but a bit curious.
Curious about what, Nancy?
About Carol. She called in sick.
Again? She did that last week.
Yes, and the week before that.
That's strange. Is she really sick?
I don't think so. Guess what?
What? Tell me, Nancy.
I saw her this morning outside.
Outside? Where was she going?
She was getting into a taxi.
A taxi? Did she have luggage?
Yes, she did. A big suitcase.
A suitcase? That's suspicious, Nancy.
I know, right? She's lying.
She's lying and going on a trip.
Dialogue 5. Inappropriate work clothes.
Did you see Gloria today?
Yes, I did. Why?
She wore a mini skirt.
Again? That's too short.
And a low-cut blouse.
That's too revealing.
She looked like a hooker.
That's too harsh.
But it's true.
Maybe she likes it.
Or maybe she wants him.
Who? Her boss.
Yes, him. He's married.
That's too bad.
She should dress better.
I agree. It's inappropriate.
Do you think he notices her?
I don't know. Maybe.
He shouldn't. He has a wife.
I know. She's very nice.
Dialogue 6. A new dress code.
Hi, Sarah. Did you hear that?
Hear what? What's the news?
We can wear casual clothes now.
Really? When did they announce that?
This morning, in the email.
I didn't check my email yet.
Well, you should. It's important.
What does the email say?
It says that starting from next week, we can wear jeans and other casual clothes on Fridays. But we still have to dress appropriately. No shorts, flip-flops, or tank tops.
That's awesome. I'm so happy about that. I hate wearing a suit every day. It's uncomfortable and boring.
I know, right? Me too. I love wearing jeans and sneakers. They are more comfortable and stylish.
Yeah, and they are easier to wash and iron. No more dry cleaning bills.
Exactly. And we can express our personality more. Show some colors and patterns.
Yes, I agree. I have some nice casual clothes that I never get to wear. Now I can finally wear them to work.
Me too. I'm looking forward to next Friday.
Me too. Thanks for telling me the news.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. See you later.
Dialogue 7. Company perk.
Hi, Jim. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks for asking, John.
Do you like working here, Jim?
Yes, I do. It's a great company.
What are some of your favorite perks?
Well, I like the free lunch.
Me too. It's always delicious.
And the health insurance is good.
Yes, it covers a lot of things.
What about you? What do you like?
I like the paid vacation time.
How many days do you get?
I get 20 days per year.
Wow, that's generous. I get 15.
You should ask for more, Jim.
Maybe I will. Any other perks?
Yes, we have a pension plan.
Really? A pension plan?
Yes, it's true. It's uncommon nowadays.
Dialogue 8. Running your own business.
Hi, Helen. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks for asking, Nancy.
What do you do for work?
I run my own business online.
That sounds interesting. What is it?
It's a website that teaches English.
How do you teach English online?
I create videos, podcasts, and quizzes.
Who are your target customers?
Anyone who wants to learn English.
How do you make money from it?
I earn from advertisements, downloads, and software purchases.
How much do you charge for them?
It depends on the content and quality.
How long have you been doing this?
I started my website 2 years ago.
How did you come up with the idea?
I was an English teacher before.
Why did you quit teaching?
I wanted more freedom and flexibility.
Do you enjoy running your business?
Yes, I love it very much.
Dialogue 9. Talking about your job. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Working hard?
Yes, very busy these days.
Where do you work again?
I work for a law firm.
What do you do there?
I'm an administrative assistant.
What does that mean exactly?
I answer phones, file papers, and create spreadsheets.
Spreadsheets? What are those?
They are computer documents. They store data in rows and columns.
That sounds interesting. How do you make them?
They are easy to make. You just enter the data and format it.
How do you use them?
They help me organize and analyze information. They are very useful.
Do you like your job?
I do. It's challenging and rewarding.
That's great. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Dialogue 10. Comparison of company perks.
Hey Tony, how are you today?
Not good, David. Feeling very stressed.
Why? What's bothering you so much?
Our company's perks are so bad.
I know, right? They are terrible.
No paid vacation, no bonuses, nothing.
And don't forget the retirement plan.
What retirement plan? There is none.
Exactly. It's a joke, really.
Have you heard of ABC Incorporated?
Yes, I have. Why do you ask?
They have amazing perks for employees.
Like what? Tell me more.
Well, they offer 20 days of paid vacation per year.
Wow, that's awesome. What else?
They also give out generous bonuses based on performance.
That sounds fair and motivating.
And they have a solid retirement plan with matching contributions.
That's very important for the future.
But wait, there's more.
More? How can there be more?
They also provide gym memberships and maternity leave.
That's incredible. They really care about their employees' well-being.
I know. I wish we could work for them.
Me too. But how can we?
It's very hard to get hired there.
Why is that?
Because they have high standards and competition.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
Yeah. So we're stuck here for now.
Well, maybe things will change someday.
Maybe. But I doubt it.